How to unlock the Voltas AC remote. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If your Voltas AC remote gets locked accidentally and you have left wondering how to remove lock in the Voltas AC remote, let me help you with the same. You just have to follow the steps and you'll be good to go. So first of all, a lock icon will show up on the display of your Voltas AC remote control if it is locked. The Voltas AC remote can be unlocked in only one step. Press both of the temperature increase plus and the temperature decrease minus icon or the button together until your remote is not unlocked. This means you have to press both of these plus and minus buttons simultaneously until the unlock is happened. After doing this, you won't notice the lock symbol on your Voltas AC remote's display. And this way, you have successfully unlocked the remote as well. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.